Hey loves, and welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Miriam, and in today's video I'll be sharing with you 30 YouTube video ideas that are guaranteed to blow up your YouTube channel and get you more views and visibility. If this is a video you're interested in, keep on watching. So, are you a content creator and you normally run out of video ideas to create? Don't worry. In this video, I have 30 plus YouTube video ideas that are going to help you. Guys, I've written it down in this video. So if you see me reading from this book, just know that. If you see me looking down, just know that I'm reading from my book. So, for these YouTube video ideas, I'm going to be grouping it in 4 categories. First is YouTube, First is YouTube related videos, second is Instagram related videos, third is fashion related video, and fourth vlogs. So for the first one, YouTube. Guys, you can make a video on how I edit my thumbnail, how I edit my YouTube videos, how to grow on YouTube, mistakes to avoid when starting on YouTube. Guys, you can make a video on mistakes to avoid when starting YouTube channel. How much YouTube pays me? That's a very nice video idea. How much YouTube pays me for my video with blank amount of views? Maybe my video with 1 million views, my video with 1,000 views, my video with 5,000 views. You can just do anything you want. Reacting to my old YouTube video, this one very good. You can react to your 4 years old YouTube video or 3 years old YouTube videos. My first YouTube paycheck. These are for people that are monetized. How to get monetized on YouTube. A nice video idea. How to get watch time very fast. Guys, watch out for that. I'm doing that video. Instagram. So guys, for the second category, that's for Instagram. You can make a video on how I edit my Instagram photos, how to grow on Instagram organically, how to edit reels on Instagram. Those are my ideas on Instagram. The third category is fashion. You can make a video on try on hauls, you can make a video on transformation, you can make a video on what I wore in a week, you can make a video on buying my dream wardrobe. You can make a video on how to be aesthetics. You can make a video on upcycling my old clothes. Guys, you can actually make a video on anything about fashion. Then for the fourth one, vlogs. Guys, vlogs are so much. You can make a video on first day in school vlog, last day in school vlog, market vlog, moving to so place vlog, moving to this country to another country vlog, birthday vlog, holiday vlog, thrifting vlog, living alone vlog, wife diaries vlog, travel vlogs, shopping vlogs. Guys, vlogs are so versatile. You can make a whole lot of videos about vlog. Then these ones are not in my category, but they are also video ideas. A day in my life, a week in my life, what I eat in a day, how I manifest my dream life. So many things about your life. You can make a video out of it, and guys, they are guaranteed to blow up your YouTube channel. They are guaranteed to get you more views. So guys, these ones are not on my list, but they are also videos that do very well on YouTube. You can make pregnancy videos like what is in my pregnancy bag, what is in my pregnancy list, my pregnancy cravings, satisfying my pregnancy craving, what I didn't know before getting pregnant, a day in my life as a pregnant wife. You can make so many videos on YouTube about pregnancy, about motherhood. You can make so many videos about motherhood. A day in my life with a toddler, a day in my life babysitting my child, you can just make so many videos. Guys, if you're a creator and you are struggling to create video ideas, you should just look out for these videos that gives ideas on what to create on YouTube. Just hop on them, look for them, take ideas, take inspiration from them, create your videos, and like that you already have 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 video ideas to create. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, share my videos, turn on your notifications so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Thank you guys for watching and see you in my next video. Okay, bye.